Welcome back to Pet CPR. I'm Jill. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform CPR on dogs that have a little bit a different body shape from our mannequin that we showed you earlier. So we're going to focus in this video on dogs with deep chested or keel shaped chests, and also with dogs that are square shaped like bulldogs. So set up your practice area again and grab your large dog mannequin that you used before, and also your square shaped dog mannequin that I have here. So we'll start with our deep chested dogs. Now our mannequin here doesn't demonstrate this very well, as this mannequin has a very kind of straight across chest to belly ratio. But our deep chested dogs like greyhounds, Dobermans, those types of dogs have a very long keel. So their chest actually extends way down here and then tucks up very nicely so that their belly is very tucked. So with these dogs, we actually have to landmark a little bit differently. The rest of CPR is completely the same. So let me show you how I would do this. So on our normal dog, we know that we want to landmark in the center of the chest at the highest point. But with our deep chested dogs, keel shaped dogs, we need to go further down because the heart is actually lower in the chest. So what we're going to do is we're going to landmark further down here, close to the edge of the chest. So for our deep chested dogs, making sure that you landmark at the very bottom of the sternum rather than the middle of the chest, hands over each other, making sure your shoulders are up above your hands, elbows locked, and I'll demonstrate one set of CPR for you. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. So as I said, the procedure for CPR on deep chested dogs is exactly the same as for normal shaped dogs. So you can practice this on your own with your large dog mannequin. So now we're going to move on to our square shaped dogs like bulldogs. Okay, our square shaped dogs, because they are square shaped, if we try to put them on their side, they tend to kind of roll over the wrong way so that they don't lie flat like other shaped dogs. So with our square shaped dogs, we actually place them on their back, just like we would do CPR on humans. So we would place our dog on its back like this, and we would landmark, actually, again, very similar to humans, in the center of the chest, kind of at the highest point. So right in here in the center, in between the two sides in the chest area. So this is where we're going to landmark our hands. So I'm going to place my hands in the center of the chest, hands over each other, making sure that I lock my elbows, shoulders over top of my hands, and I'm going to do 30 seconds of CPR. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, so now you know how to perform CPR on all body shapes for dogs. So again, you need to practice this over the next week before you do your video conference with your instructor for your final test. So again, practice well. Good luck. Thank you for joining me. Bye.